Hello. So here is the Classify mobile app, and briefly I'm going to be showing you all the app entails and its function. So as you can see, we have my school. So from here you're able to view all the posts made by your school, right? And this is accessible by staff and parents. If you want to post something for the consumption of your staff alone, you can actually do that here. If you want your staff and parents to have access to your post, you can actually do that here. And once you post, you're able to see everything posted by your school. Now the explore session is actually for viewing posts made by all other schools. We have these schools who also use our platform, so these are posts from other schools also using the Classify mobile app. And your task section is actually for teachers. This helps them to plan and come up with their class tags, daily tags, weekly tags, and one-time tags. So the class tags is actually what activates the auto class recording, where they are able to add subject for the day. Okay, they're able to add the particular class they have for each day, the day of the week they have that class, and the time. So once this is done and it's saved, this task will appear here on the dashboard, and they can select on it to start recording the classes. As soon as they're done recording the classes, they publish and school owners have access to it. So as you can see again on my dashboard, you have swipe to clock in. I believe you'll be wondering what's this for. So basically, when teachers get to school in the morning, the first thing they're expected to do is to log into their Classify app and then swipe here to clock in. So once you swipe to clock in, it brings out a scanner telling you to scan a barcode, right? It verifies the location to be sure that you're in the school environment. So if your server is not actually strong enough to capture the GPRS for that your environment, it tells you cannot mark attendance outside the school environment. But if it's actually strong enough, you will be able to clock in. So I'm logged into a school. I'm logged into a school, and the name of the school is Lead World School. So I am not in the school environment. That's why it's telling me this. However, you can actually click here to clock in. So there's a QR code we give to schools. They print it, laminate, and paste in the school reception. So as soon as you scan that code, it clocks you in immediately. Also, we have the report section, the lesson plans, school portal, the web login for schools who want to access the Classify app from the PC. We also have the App Store. The App Store, we have lots of apps. Currently, we have quick accounts functioning and the Classify SMS. We also have the Classify for Parents. So the Classify for Parents is actually the mobile app parents use to monitor the exact time their kids get to school, the exact time their kids leave the school premises. They also use this to monitor, to view their child's result at the end of term. And with this Classify for Parents, they also have access to our e-learning online programs offered by Classify Academy, okay, which is coming up in some weeks' time, right? We're launching that out. So the quick accounts are basically, this is what it does. It helps track income and expenses. You're able to generate and send digital receipts and invoices. You track inventory and lots more. And also we have the SMS. Use this to send push notifications to parents, staff, and bulk SMS to parents as well. Okay, so the school portal, this is how the school portal looks like. You're able to see the total number of students you have, right, by their classes. You're able to view the student list. Okay, as you can see, we have this nursery 1 students with their beautiful pictures. You have their accounts already created. You have the exam record if you want to process results for your students, right? You're able to generate report cards by the end of the term. Okay, sorry, it's still loading. I guess it's internet issues. All right, so you have the results come out like this: Lead World International Academy, the school logo, the picture of the child, and it comes out in a beautiful template like this. So this is basically it. And sure, we have lots of features we'll keep adding to the app as we keep getting this request from school now. So basically, this is what the Klacify mobile app does. Then now lastly, we're looking at the report section. So the report section is where the school owner goes to see the number of staff that attend school each day. You're able to view the time in, time out. You're able to view the late comers, teachers who came to school late. You are also able to download this at the end of the month, to download the attendance, right? Most persons, you actually need these things for the Ministry of Education coming to your school to request for the attendance, so you're able to download it so they can have hands on it. Then also you can have a comprehensive list of the number of students, of the number of staff you have. You can also have the comprehensive students list. You can see the number of students you have in your school. Okay, right? You can also view the daily attendance of your students. So if you've done your digital attendance, right, like if you've ordered for digital ID cards, you're able to view the number of students that came to school, the exact time. And also the class recording is where you access recordings by your instructors. Okay, so these teachers are yet to start using it, but once you activate the class recording with use of the class tags, teachers are able to school owners are able to access the recordings from here. And people who do not have phone, like staff without the phone, they can actually use the scan a friend option. Okay, so the scan a friend option, you are able to clock in, you're able to clock out, and also update your report. So that is basically it for the Klacify mobile app. Thank you.